It's so good.
Welcome to the channel, folks. And look, today we're going to be cooking a sirloin cap, also known as a picanha. Yeah, man, hey, it's going to be so delicious. But, you know, before we do that, we got to take this little break. We know we just got started, but we need a break. Hey, I got to say cheers to current friends. And you know what? Cheers to my new friends. That gives you guys time to like and subscribe to the channel as well. So let's just get into this. Cheers to my current friends and to my new friends. So for this picanha, we don't need a whole lot. All we need is some little binder. We're gonna use some grapeseed oil today. And we're gonna go with some Killer Hog's steak rub. Now this is a little bit different than the AP. It's got some other good ingredients in here. Start with spices and of course salt, garlic, all that good stuff. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. You can go to the Killer Hog's website and check it out, no endorsement. So this picanha is about 2.5 pounds. And what we're gonna do is just do a little trimming here, a little light trimming, and get this silver skin off of here, and then we'll put some oil on here and get a little rub down, and then we'll let it set up for a little bit, let it sweat, and then we'll get to cooking. So what we're gonna do now is just take your really sharp knife, of course, and just we're gonna run it down and take some of that silver skin off, right? Just get some of it and run it down until you get it off. All right, so now that we got the silver skin off, what we're gonna do is flip this over. And you know, we're gonna keep this fat cap on here because this is gonna protect the meat when we cook it. We're gonna go ahead and get some binder on here. Get that nice and oiled up because we like oil, right? Oil. Struck oil. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and hit this with a nice coat of this rub here. And you know what? There's meat on this side too. It's not just fat, so we're gonna go pretty heavy. We need to make sure that we hit this side as well. Get some more oil. Now we're gonna slice this, so we're gonna go ahead and make sure that everything's covered. That way every slice we get has some nice flavor in it. All right, so we're gonna let this set up for a little bit. I don't know, 10 minutes or so, and we'll see what it looks like and go straight to the smoker with it. You already know what happens during the break, right? We got 10 minutes until we put this on the grill. Well, guess what? Hey, it is what it is. Tell me what you guys drank, boys. Put it in the comments. Hey, whatever it is, I like tequila. Whatever you like, put it in the comments, man. I might grab a bottle, you know? Hey, cheers. Ah. All right, so we're out here on the Pit Boss, and we're gonna go ahead and take this picanha. We're gonna put it right here in the middle. And of course, we're gonna put the meat probe right here in the thickest part of the meat, right through the side. Stick it right in here. So we're gonna leave this in here until we get to about, I say 125 degrees. And we did fat cap side down. That's what we want. 125 degrees. We're gonna pull this, let it rest, and then we're gonna get some good eats. All right, so we're back out here. We've been out here for about an hour and a half, and we are sitting right now at 125 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and pull this picanha out. And we're gonna go ahead and throw it right here on our board. I'm gonna take it in the house and rest it for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna do a little, you know, cheers to you folks. Itty bitty, itty bitty. Call that a baby. I learned that from somebody in California, you know, call it a baby shot. Bang. Look at that. Hey, if you guys don't have one of these, get one of these, man. It's how you hide all your good stuff. Now we're gonna cut right here. We're gonna see where the grain is because I think it's running this way, but I'm not sure. So we'll take a look. All right, now we see which way the grain is running. The grain is actually running this way. So we cut it right. So we're gonna cut across the grain this way, and then we're gonna get some bites, man. Whew, damn, that shit look good. Look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, so check that out. Look at that piece right there in the middle. That's what we want, man. Shit. Man, it smells super good. Look at it. Woo-wee. Yeah, let's go ahead and get that. Mmm. Yeah, baby. I'm gonna tell you now. Hey, that picanha, you cook that shit right. Hey, It eats like a brisket, man, except for, you know, we didn't cook it all the way to well done. Man, I cooked that bad boy to about 125 degrees, let it rest for 10 minutes. It might have carried over to 130 or something, but holy moly, is that good. Yeah, man. Hey, baby, come in the kitchen. My people's on the way. I got one. There he is. Hello, try this out. Tell me what you think.
It's so good.
You think it's good?
Mm-hmm.
Tasty, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. My guy. Look at one he got. Try it out. Tell me what you think.
Really good.
Stop faking it. It's good or it's not.
It is.
It's good? Yeah, it's super good. Okay, you guys ready to eat? I'm gonna tell you now, hey, that picanha, shoo, man, I'm gonna get me another one and then I'm gonna get out of here. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, share. See you on the next one. Bye.